Hi, good morning, students. This is the video for today's classes, so let's just start right away. All right. So we are here in language arts. We got several exercises in which they involve using the past tense. So we have this exercise over here, phonics. So you got a pronunciation of regular verbs in past. So you're gonna read this. These are basically the rules how you can do it. And over here, you see this red thing over here? Okay, very simple. You need to do this now. All right? You're gonna use you gotta listen here, the word, listen here, watch, right? It's watch. Now, then you have to click on this red button and say the word with your own voice, with your voice, okay? You click here and you say, watch. You see? There, it puts the word when you said it. Now let's do with this one over here. You listen it, and then you click now. Listen. There you go. You see it with your own words, and you have to do it. Okay, you listen to it. You listen how it says over here. You listen very carefully, and you try to say it. If you said it bad, if not the word correctly, don't worry about it. Okay, it's just practice. Okay, it doesn't matter. I just want you to practice with your voice. Okay, don't worry about that. Then you have other exercises. Basically, they are very simple, but there are other exercises that are the same, but you have to use the voice. And this one over here, like, what are the kids doing? You gotta look at the picture. You have to describe what are they doing. Let's say the kids are playing. You see, the kids are playing. So basically that it is what you see in the picture. What you see in the picture, describe what the girl is wearing. You click here and you try to answer the question, okay? So that basically for language arts. Let me move to the other ones, to the other classes. But you need any more help with this, please let me know. I will help you. Let's move to social studies now. Social studies, we're gonna talk about landforms. You remember we talk about this. We got some exercises right here about the landforms. We got this one, landscapes, and here, lake. What is the lake over here? Where's the picture of the lake? I think it might be this one. Where's the desert? Where's the forest, river, waterfall? And you have to choose, and you have to drag them and choose the correct one. Now, in the other exercise, in this one, you have to listen. Number one, you listen, and it tell you something. Say you island. So at island. So I think number one, island. I think this one is number one. So I put a one. That's the one. And number two, I listen to it and try to match the number with the correct picture. Okay, but I have to listen very carefully. You have to listen very carefully. Okay. All right. So that basically for the other exercises also about landforms. So be careful with that. Now let's move to math. Okay, math, we're gonna do one exercise because it's a division, right? So we open this one. I also give you the table, but today is gonna be division, right? I'm gonna do the first one. Okay, pay attention to this one. So division, remember, I have divide 27 divided by 5. Okay, so I gotta find a number multiplied by 5 that gives me 27 or close to 20 or 27. Sorry. So I go to the table of 5. I go to the table of 5 here. For table of 5, I'm gonna close a number that gives me 27 or close to 27. In that case, it will be 5 times 5, 25. That's closest because the next one, 6 times 5 is 30. So I'm gonna choose 25. So I'm gonna choose 5. So I go here, 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Now I subtract. Here I know 2 minus 2, 0, and 7 minus 5 is 2. And that's the correct answer for the next one. Be very careful with that, okay? Remember we talked about that, division, okay? So be very careful with that. If you need any more questions, please let me know. And finally, we're gonna move to Bible, in which Bible, we got some exercises over here. We got some videos. You open it up and you're gonna watch this video. This video below is about baby Moses And then over here I have to do is answer the right question. What did the Pharaoh do to the Israelites? By watching the little video over here, you can answer these questions. You have to answer which one: make them slaves or ignore them. The other one, the slaves work to build up which city? New York, England, or Egypt? Okay, be very careful with that. And the other exercise also, to watch this video, watch this little video over here, and then you answer the questions. What was Peter? Who was Peter? By watching the video, you will answer what was Peter. What was Jesus walking on? He was walking on something, Jesus, by looking at the picture. Okay, so look at the question and you'll be able to answer them. Okay, be very careful. Don't take your time. If you gotta watch the video again, watch it. Okay, don't worry about it. So that's basically the classes for today. Remember, if you got any more questions, please let me know. I'm gonna post the classes over here, the video. And thank you guys. See you later. Thanks.